Affinity laws under the topic of fluid machineries. Continuation lang ito ng previous topic natin. If natapos nyo, noorin yung ating video. So let's start with pump affinity laws. A model pump with a 14 cm diameter impeller requires a 9 kW power input when operating at a speed of 1,500 RPM against a head of 7.5 meter. A homologous pump 1.9 meter in diameter will operate at the same efficiency against a 15 meter. What power input would be expected? Importante itong affinity loss topic sa fluid machinery kasi ito nagdedetermine kung anong mangyayari if may binago ka sa parts ng isang pump or bibili ka ng ibang pumps but the same efficiency or let's say the same RPM or the same diameter. Okay, but before we solve, meron tayong table niyan para mas madali natin malalaman ang mga relationship between the variables. At saka madali nating memorize yung mga formula. We have three variables na importante dito. We have volumetric flow rate, head, tsaka power. Then we have also the speed, diameter, and the density. Maglalagay muna ako ng mga numbers, tsaka i-explain ko mamaya. Ano ba itong mga numbers na to? Ito, yung mga exponent nung nasa first column natin. Para mas madaling maintindihan, i-write natin yung formula. First, yung volumetric flow rate. We have Q2 over Q1 is equals to N sub 2 over N sub 1. Yung mga numbers na to ay exponent, di ba? Nung first column. So it means if 1 yung exponent nila lahat. For head, we have H2 over H1 is equals to N sub 2 over N sub 1. Since 2 yung nakalagay, squared to. For power, since 3 yung nakalagay, cube to. Same goes with diameter. And for density, madali lang to kasi 1 lang yung mga exponent niya. So it means that the higher the volumetric flow rate, the higher the density. Same with head and power. For this problem, meron tayong formula dito. We have P2 over P1 is equals to quantity D sub 2 or D sub 1 squared times the quantity of H sub 2 over H sub 1 raised to 3 halves. Pero saan to nanggaling? Di-derive natin. As we all know, sa water power, we have power equals to gamma Q H. Kaya masasabi natin na yung power is directly proportional sa flow rate at saka head. Also, yung Q, from the continuity equation, we have area times the velocity. Tsaka yung area is pi over 4 t squared. And yung velocity, from the velocity head, we have square root 2gh. Para makuha natin yung relationship, remove lang natin yung mga constant. Therefore, volumetric flow rate is directly proportional sa square of diameter and square root of head. By plugging in of volumetric flow rate sa relationship of power, we have power is directly proportional to the d squared square root of h times h. From the power rule, algebra, we have h raised to 1 half kasi square root, times h. Since same base, tsaka i-multiply natin, i-add lang natin yung exponent equals to h raised to 1 half plus 1 equals to h raised to 3 halves. Therefore, power is directly proportional to the d squared times to the head raised to 3 halves. Kaya dyan ang galing yung formula na to. Okay, let's go. I-write lang natin yung formula. Ita-times lang natin yung power dito sa right side. We have P2 equals to P1 quantity D2 over D1 squared times the quantity of H2 over H1 raised to 3 halves. Anong power 1 natin? We have 9 kilowatt. Then yung D2. Yung diameter 2 natin is ito. 1.9 meter. Yung diameter 1, first stated, 40 centimeter. By conversion, magiging 0.4 meter squared. Ano yung head 2 natin? Ito, 15 meters. Then yung first head is 7.5 meters raised to 3 halves. Using our car say, we have 9 times quantity, 1.9 over 0.2, I mean 0.4, raised to 2 times 15 over 7.5. Raised to 3 halves. We have 574.35 kilowatts. That is C. Importante dito sa affinity loss ay memorize natin to. Tsaka yung mga previous formula natin sa previous videos natin. Importante din yun. Okay, our next topic is the fans and blowers affinity loss. Dalawa lang yung may affinity loss sa fluid machinery, the pumps and fans and blowers. Proceed tayo sa problem. A certain fan delivers 12,000 cubic feet per minute at a static pressure of 1 inch water gauge when operating at a speed of 400 rpm and requires an input of 4 HP. If the same installation, 15,000 cubic feet per minute is desired, what will be the new speed and new power needs? Diba sa pump may table? Dito may table din. Same variable lang. We have Q, H, P. Then N, D, density. Sa speed, same din sa pump. We have 1, 2, 3. Pero sa diameter, iba na. We have 3, 2, 5. And sa density, magiging 0 na dito sa volumetric flow rate. Then 1 pa din sa head and power. Okay, write muna natin yung mga given. Since unang state yung 12,000 cubic feet per minute, yan yung Q1 natin. We have 12,000 cubic feet per minute. Yung pressure, di rin natin magagamit dito. So, hindi lang natin isulat. But yung speed, first stated, and on agad yan, we have 400 RPM. Then the power, B1, 4 HP. If the same installation with 15,000 cubic feet per minute, so it means Q2 to. We have 15,000 cubic feet per minute. Anong hinahanap? New speed. Then, new power. Using our table, madali lang to. Since diameter is constant or di nagbago kasi di na state, we will use the speed. Unahin natin yung flow rate. We have Q2 over Q1 is equals to N2 over N1. Kasi raised to 1 lang to. Multiply lang natin yung N1. We have N2 equals to Q2 N1 over Q1. So we have, since Q2 is 15,000 cubic feet per minute times the N1 of 400 RPM over Q1 of 12,000 cubic feet per minute. Cancel out lang to. Then N2 we have 15,000 times 400 over 12,000. We have 500 RPM. Sa choices, dalawa lang to, so it means hindi na to. Ito na lang, B and C. Hanapin na lang natin yung power. Gamitin natin yung RPM. We have P2 over P1 equals to, since 3 raised to 3 natin yung speed. Multiply lang natin dito yung P1. We have P2 equals to P1 quantity and sub 2 sub 1 cube. We have P2, P1 natin ay 4 HP. Then N2 is 500 RPM. N1 400 RPM raised to 3. Cancel out RPM. Yung dalawang 0, pwede din natin makancel. We have 4 times quantity 5 over 4 raised to 3. 7.81 HP. So it means, ito na, letter C na yung sagot. For affinity loss, yung table lang natin, yung shortcut or cheat code kumbaga, para madali nating ma-memorize yung mga equation. I hope may natutunan kayo sa topic natin ngayon, and thank you!